Alright. Sweep. Sweep really, really good. Like you know how to do it. Get all the nooks and crannies you can. Throw all the dust away. Wipe the walls with plain water to get all the first dirt off. And your hoses. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Inside the buckets as well. Here. There. Everywhere. Inside your bubble bucket. In the basket. Then wipe it again with alcohol. Now fill up your tank with about 5 to 7 gallons. Make sure there's no leaks. Check this. Check that. Here. There. Turn it on. See what works. Fuck, this shit's leaking. Inspect it. Look for my parts. Found spare parts. Put them aside. Found that this one works, but this one doesn't. Drain the water. See another leak. Fuck. Take the spare part that I have and replace it. Bada bing. Only hand tighten. Check again. No leak. Perfect. Notice this one doesn't move. Put it in a bowl of hydrogen peroxide for 30 minutes. Let it bubble. Don't touch the shit or you'll get burned. Wait until it releases and it goes back and forth by itself. Perfect. Look at all that dirt. Dry it off with a towel. Ooh, it looks good. Inspect. Fucking got burned. God damn it, that shit fucking hurts. Threw that shit outside. Look at the steam in this motherfucker. Crazy. Fill it up with hydrogen peroxide, then rubbing alcohol. Let it run for 3 hours. Drain it. Take all the rest of it out with a sponge. You're ready for your next grow. Alright.